All right, so as a lot of y'all know, your boy's been laid up because I just had 3 wisdom teeth removed, but I can still talk a little bit. So I got my painkillers. I'm doing all right. So I wanted to let me take this off real quick. My warming pad for my my chin, whatever, my mouth. Anyway, I wanted to highlight a couple people in the Discord. So today was an absolute monster of a day. I know it started off kind of chappy. We had our data or whatever that came out, um, and um, and a lot of people were just trying to time the direction of the market, me included. I did figure that the market was going to sell off. However, it didn't happen right away. Instead, it traded within a range that I called out, and we made money on the way up and the way down, both KGU and Sacrifice for Riches Discord all day. Okay, so I'm in my wins and gains section of the Discord, and instead of just doing a bunch of screenshots today, I just figured, you know what? Let me just load up. Let me show you what's going on here. So we got today. We start off with Walmart play by Spark. Right, it was an overnight hold that we got into. Right, and it printed. Right, I think we ran this up by 126%. Um, and again, he got another one on the SPY on the put. uh, will uh, will will to the fee. I'm sorry, I'll be butchering the name, but it came up pretty big today. Nice to see it. But essentially, Kylie came up on the spies. Man, this hurts. Um, and then Raptor Bound hopped into a nice SoFi call. He got up 77%. Um, and everybody's pretty much cooking, right? So then, the market starts to do something. And I called some things out, and one in particular was the SPY, right? So we hopped in on the SPY put when I called the top, and it was an absolute rocket for the most part, right? Our boy Spark 40 got in on that, and then Tesla was huge for everybody today. I was calling Tesla first thing this morning. I was telling people to keep eyes on, if not yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, and then Tesla ended up hitting our levels. And then, man, when I tell you that we knocked it out of the park with Tesla, we got a couple 400% runs, and my boy Chef, right here, my boy got like a 1300% run, if I'm not mistaken. Absolutely crushed it. 1650% run on the Tesla put. Absolutely insane. Love to see it. Appreciate the shout out, big dog. You keep doing what you're doing. I'm so happy you're here. Um, but just winning all over. We got one of our C Brun. He's one of our Minnows. He crushed it in that Tesla put as well today. 300% gains. Love to see it. Rapture Bounce, she got her 75%. I think she also got a 32% run too on the Tesla put. And it just kept going, right? It just kept going. So Harlem, our guy, he's one of our Orcas. He came in here and dominated. Got a 354% gain on Tesla put, and another 53% gain on Tesla put. And the what was that Tesla? Oh, Spy. My bad. And a Spy put, 39% gain on the Spy put as well. So, and the Celinda, she's one of our silent assassins. It's a queen that be in there lurking in the shadows, be watching the plays, and she hops in her opportunities and she absolutely kills the game. She's getting it, and I'm loving to see it. Her turn it around and just figure it all out. But Tesla put, look at that, 55%, right? Another Tesla put, 94%. Another Tesla put, 168%. We DJ Khaled in here, and then she, of course, like a real queen does. She posts the wins and the losses, right? She doesn't hide about around anything. Okay, a girl Shelly, an Orca. She's also a doctorate or OG over at KGU as well. And she got 125% gain on that Tesla put that we called out, right? So we just kept it moving, right? So I'm just showing y'all. I'm just showing y'all what what it looks like when it was all said and done. Um, I think I think we got mostly most of all of the most of all of the call outs when it pertains to that. So the only other thing I can say is if I go to Oh, I'm sorry, that's my pool. Let's see. I got too much stuff going on. Let's go recents. All right, so this is one right here. It's what I posted earlier today. And that was pretty dang quick. But essentially, between Teslas, Spy, and Walmart, absolutely killed the game. So shout out to everybody on the Sacrifice for Riches Discord, the KGU Discord. We're gonna be live trading again next week. Your boy's still healing from his ortho surgery. I had 3 wisdom teeth removed, so I'll be going live trading for KGU next week. It's either gonna be Monday or Wednesday. We'll see how we looking, and then after that, it's going to be like once a week essentially for those megalodons in Sacrifice for Riches Discord. So if you want to be a part of that, either join Sacrifice for Riches Discord or you have to be a doctorate member of KGU. Either way, the link is going to be in the description for both. I will see y'all over there. Y'all keep killing the game, and it's Stocks for real. Y'all take care.